In this video, I'm going to show you how to export contacts from Google Contacts. I'm going to show you how you can do this on computer and on your mobile device. To do this on computer, you want to open your browser and search for contacts.google.com. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Open the link and this will show you all your contacts that are backed up to your Google account. You can export all your contacts or select contacts that you want to be exported. If you want to export individual contacts, you can hover over them and click on the check mark. And then other contacts, you will see more actions with the 3 dots. Click on this and you will see export. This will export only the contacts that you have selected. If you choose to only export one contact, you will also see export as an option beside the contacts you choose to export. Now to export all your contacts, you can click on the check mark and then click on the selection action to select all your contacts. Once you're done selecting the contact, click on the 3 dots for more action again and click on export. There are several options you can use to export your contact. Select the option you want and then click on export. And a copy of your contact will be saved to your computer. On your mobile, you want to open your preferred browser which you are signing in with your Google account and then search for contacts.google.com again. Open the link and you should see all your contacts. You can tap and hold down to select a contact and then select all the contacts again. Tap on the action button and you will see export. Tap on export and then select the format you wish to export. Once you're done, tap on export and then a copy of your contacts will be downloaded. So thank you for watching this video on how to export contacts from Google Contacts. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Also, if you do have any question, do make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. If you'd like to know how to import contacts into your Google Gmail account, do stick around to watch my next video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.